The last couple of nights. We decided to move on from there. We've come to Manila. We're at a donation campsite that's right on the river. It's run by the men's shed here. We're looking forward to spending a few nights here and seeing what there is to do in town.
Stopped at Moonby Lookout on the New England Highway north of Tamworth. Just going up the lookout now. Quite a unique lookout. It's actually on top of a rock on top of a hill that was already here. What do you reckon, Kaz? Pretty good view?
Pretty good view.
Just made it to Bendemeer, parked the truck up there behind us. It's a 24-hour camp here, not allowed to camp any longer than that. It's right on the river, which is the McDonald River. And we're just going for a bit of an explore to have a bit of a look. those of you that are concerned, it's actually a closed road, so it's not really an issue that we're walking in the middle of the road.